Singing.
Well, hello there, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It's Milltown Tubes 414 back at it with another little vlog for y'all on this TGIF day. I'm here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, around the cold Great Lakes of the old Midwest, and we got a little lake effect snowstorm coming through. And it's supposed to start Saturday about 4 or 5 o'clock. It's supposed to get, what do they say, 3 to 5 inches overnight, and then Sunday another 3 to 5 inches. So this can be kind of hectic because lake effect, and that's that packy snow, man. And I don't care what kind of snow blowers you got or plows or anything, man, but it's a lot of wear and tear. But yeah, otherwise that, it's just, man, it's super slow. I've been trying to hold my depression and anxiety and all that down to somewhat of a minimum, man, but it's just so hard, man. All these damn doctors, oh, take this medicine, take this medicine, man. It's like, man, I don't want all that shit, I've been almost 8 years I've been clean off of opiates, man, Just gotta battle that every day, and then all this other shit going on, man. It's like, man, I don't want no medication, But yeah, otherwise that, same old day. Just down here, and man, what was my vintage bunker workshop a damn mess. And I don't know if you can tell, but this side of my face is still numb. Went to the dentist this morning, had 2 fillings, but it's like, oh my God, man. And, I can, the numb's still there, just slowly starting to wear off. But it was just like, man, my damn jaw hurts because, it was the back bottom teeth. And I was like, trying to hold my mouth open, and you got the dentist in there digging, and the assistant in there with the sucker and all that shit, man. It's like, man. But, yep, got that done, man. So, I hope all y'all out there are having a great TGIF day. I picked up some new subscribers from the live streams that Ben Comedian had, Granny Monster had, Monster Chick, man, Soup Pyro, I think, man, he's a cool dude, man. And who else was out there? I don't know, some other people, man, but, I've been trying to get on there with the streams with all my fellow YouTubers, hashtag creators, and it just ain't working out, man. I want to go on there, and just reach out and touch more people out there, man. I know it's all slow motion, little footsteps, one day at a time and all that, man. It just, oh, damn cigarette went out, man. And I know I'm not promoting smoking. Kids, don't smoke. See what happens when you try to be cool in school. And now look at me, still puffing like a damn chimney. But I don't drink, so sit back and smoke my damn cigarettes, man. But yeah, I don't really know what else to. Got everything ready for the snow, so whenever that comes, I had to find what my overalls were and my winter boots and all that shit, man. But like the past week or so, I mean, it's been cold. It's just, it ain't, not below zero. But, once you start getting a wind chill going on, and it's like, man, you can't even do nothing no more. You know, yeah, I guess I'm a hardcore Pokemon Go player. And I can't get out there and walk because it's so damn cold, man. And some of these touchscreen phones, you can use certain gloves, some you can't, and all that. In my experience so far, I found, but pair of gloves that I did have, it works somewhat, but not enough. So I'm not trying to walk around just barehanded, and then I come back and got frostbite on my hand and all that shit, man. So yeah, I don't know. But again, I thank you all for the love and support, all the new subscribers. I appreciate it. Every time I get a new subscriber, I subscribe right back, man. Gotta share and spread the love, my brothers and sisters out there in the U.S., overseas, worldwide, wherever you're at, man. We're all trying to fight this fight. We got to keep on going and just kick her right in the ass. You dig? So, yeah, otherwise that, tell the CB's a little, there's my CB setup. Old school Ranger RG99. Got the old digital frequency counter. Got a few little amplifiers there and all that. I love, man, just communication. That will always be number one. We have to communicate. That's why a lot of this shit's messed up as we speak today. No communication. Nobody talks. I know a lot of relationships that would have worked, but no communication. Nobody wants to talk. I know I'm going everywhere with this, but I'm just trying to think of stuff on the way here. But oh man, that's pretty much it. I will definitely, when we get the snow rolling, take a few little videos of the snow and all that. Maybe, get Nathan and Jenny out there and we'll have some fun. And I just hope it ain't cold so we can actually, I can actually go out there and do the snow. Do mine, do my neighbors. We do the smoke shop that's down the block. And then a few other customers. I just hope it ain't so damn cold, so we can get it all done. Just get back home, have fun with the kids, whatever. Man. Just trying to live. I'd say trying to live the dream, but how the situation is right now, just seeing a damn dream. It's a nightmare. Wow. So, yeah. So I'll just leave it like that for there. Again, I thank you all from the bottom of my heart for supporting me, subscribing, liking. Like I said, it's much love. Always. One love. So, yeah, I don't know how many people have the Twitter, but my Twitter is MilltownTubes17. Hit me up on that on the Twitter tip. And, yeah, that's it. Again, thank you all. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. Like, share, favorite, whatever you want to do. If you dislike the video, whatever. If you're watching me, so, it's all good. It's all good in the old 414 Midwest, Milltown Tubes Hood, no doubt about it. So, alright, I'm gonna stop babbling around here, man. Y'all take care. Love y'all. Catch y'all on the flip, and, yeah. Salute to the bosses, and we gone. Bye. Whoo.